What's happening? Yeah, maybe it'll be safer inside. This is a funny-looking page. Maybe we need a better view. Pencil, let's draw a ladder. Doodle-doodle-doo. That's strange. Pencil's magic isn't working here. What's this? Whoa! What's going on, Pencil? Ooh, interesting. I think it's asleep now, Pencil. What about this? That's handy. What do we do now?
Did you say Andy?
Hi, hello there.
I'm Andy, and I'm here to help.
Hi, I'm Doodle Girl, and this little surfer here is Pencil. Where are we?
This program is called Digital Doodle 2.0, the latest in digital drawing software.
I have no idea what that means. Could you tell me how to change my colours back?
Of course. It's been a while since anyone has asked me for anything. Just a quick search. Move the arrow to the paint can icon and select the color you would like. Then click where you want it to go.
Wow! How do we go back, Andy?
No worries. Just click the undo icon right over there.
Lovely. I'm me again. Thanks, Pencil. Now let's have some fun.
Fun? I don't know what fun means.
I can show you how to have fun if you tell me all about this place.
Sure.
What should we try next?
You could duplicate things by using that stamp tool.
Cool. Let's duplicate my head. Whoa, I don't know about this. I'll keep one. You can undo the others. Whoa, I nearly lost my head.